Should a foreign company be allowed to buy an American icon?
Middle Eastern countries are rich with profits from the oil trade, and they are all in the market for U.S. assets.
Foreigners are going shopping in the U.S., but is America for sale? In Greenville, Michigan, Linnea Carter is learning a new trade. After 27 years working for the Swedish giant Electrolux, the plant closed down and moved to Mexico in 2006, leaving her without a job, health insurance, or the means to support her two girls.
It was devastating when we lost our jobs. And having to go back to school, you just see one plant after another leaving to foreign competition. They go where it's cheaper. So when you see foreign competition come in, it's kind of scary to wonder if you have a safeguard there, to go there to work. They might up and leave again.
The Greenville plant was once the largest manufacturer of refrigerators in the world. When it closed down, almost 3,000 jobs were lost in a town of just 8,000 people. The community is still in shock. But across the state, the story is very different. Holland is just 60 miles west of Greenville. The German company Siemens recently took over a factory that makes wastewater treatment equipment here. Thousands of jobs are created, and the small town is now booming.
We've actually doubled the size of employees, and we've tripled as far as our revenues are concerned. And a lot of it had to do with Siemens, and they've brought in a lot of international business and some additional parts that we're now manufacturing in this facility.
The weak US dollar is part of the reason why foreigners spent almost $277 billion last year investing in American companies. The US is still the world's largest market, and buying these companies is a quick way in. But many analysts say the US is living on borrowed money, and the next president will have to continue encouraging foreign investment despite the unease among some Americans.
As long as we have a low savings rate or a zero savings rate, either we will have no investment at all, which will be catastrophic for our economy, or we will finance our investment from abroad, which means that more and more foreigners own more and more of America. I'm hoping that whoever is the next president will take a non-protectionist stance.
For people here, the two candidates' positions on foreign policy and global warming means little. It's the economy that affects their daily lives, they say. The next administration, whether Republican or Democrat, will have to convince the skeptics among them that selling up can lead to greener pastures. Sherine, Tadros, Jazeera, Michigan.